Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Symptoms of a bad power steering pump involve difficulty steering, especially noticeable at low speeds when the effort required to turn the steering wheel increases significantly. A whining or squealing noise when turning the wheel is another common symptom. Additionally, vibrations felt in the steering wheel while idling indicate a failing pump. Leaks in the power steering fluid reservoir, visible as puddles under the car, and a decrease in the fluid level, are also signs. For safety, addressing these symptoms promptly is essential.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.